In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private channel on Slack. If you want a space in Slack where conversations are limited to a specific group of people, creating a private channel is a great option. Private channels are useful for team discussions, planning, internal decisions, or any topic that should only be visible to invited members. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can set it up in just a moment. To begin, open Slack and look over to the left-hand sidebar where your channels are listed. From there, click on Add Channels. This is where Slack gives you options to browse existing channels or create a new one. If you're not sure where it is, just look for the channel management area in the sidebar. Once that menu opens, click on Create a New Channel. This starts the channel creation process and opens the setup window where you'll define the basic details for your new channel. Now, you'll be asked to enter a channel name. Type in the name for the channel. In this example, the channel name is Team. When naming a channel, it's a good idea to keep it short, clear, and easy for other members to recognize. That makes it easier to stay organized, especially in workspaces with lots of channels. After entering the channel name, click on Next. This takes you to the next part of the setup, where you choose the visibility of the channel. Here's the key step. Click on Private. Selecting this option means only people who are invited will be able to view the channel, join conversations, and access the files or messages shared there. This is what separates a private channel from a public one, which is visible to the wider workspace. Once private is selected, click on Create. Slack will then create the new private channel for you. And that's it. Your private channel is now ready to use. From there, you can start using it for focused communication with the right group of people. Just remember that because it's private, access is limited, which helps keep sensitive conversations more controlled and organized. That's how to create a private channel on Slack. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to set one up quickly and keep important discussions in a more secure members-only space.